Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. See, we're getting a nice shot of espresso with beautiful crema. And that's just the pressure gauge on top of the machine. We're hovering right around 1 bar, which is just what we want. And we're going to test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.